Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We back with
another one
one
of
of
it.
it.
To Peter Machimbo's studio. We just beat it, just pay to it. I'm with Mr. Mlambo and Coast and Grand Buffet.
Simnandi. Fire
Sijabulile.
And if it was, I must start introducing myself first. Mapagania.
Awuthi Mapagani. Very the host.
Yeah, of it. Now my name is Fire of it, the host of the show, the owner of PFTV. These two guys are my employees.
Nakho.
I'm just kidding, Mapagania. Mr. Mlambo, jumping straight into it, Ndanga. After game, we did the post-match interviews. Who stood out for you?
Mchita ka una le scratch. Every time.
Tema o rekisetsa mali.
Wena ngathi manje the PhD hayi.
Beep, 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 beep. Abona urana bathu.
5 rand.
Yeah.
Ne, brilliant one from PhD, Mapagadia. Please go check out the PhD's interview. Doing amazing, Mapagania. They love it. The amazing numbers as well. The ghost. Who was your favorite there?
Yeah, mfana Aisha. I think PhD ushayile ntanga. But I like to ready uputjwa.
Puchwa.
Yeah. The customer is always right.
It's always right.
Yeah. I think usifundisile lapha uputjwa mfethu into ezibhaya and also giving details ngo memorial ne funeral.
Yeah, Makalanjalo.
Makalanjalo, yeah.
Rest in peace, Makalanjalo, Mapagania. Those who haven't seen more details of the funeral, you can go to Puchwaha's interview there. He lays it out nicely there.
Yeah.
Mine was Pucha.
Sure.
Pucha, it's been a while since
It's been a minute.
Pucha. It's nice of him to come through. He gave us a brilliant analysis as per usual, and I'm a Paganese love Pucha. When you go to comments everywhere,
Yeah.
hey, you go to TikTok, positive,
YouTube.
Facebook, positive, YouTube, positive.
I think umuntu oyi-one nginokubona ukuthi amabhakaniya noma bamphikisa kahle. Awunaval kana.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, and like some of the guys, if it's a hostile relationship,
Sure.
do you, I do me.
Yeah.
The likes of PhD. But obviously, we love PhD, and so
Obvious.
he's our guy.
Yeah.
Jumping straight into it, obviously, we beat the Richards Bay 2-0. Thoughts on the game?
This is how champions win.
Yeah.
Swine kamnandi mfethu. You don't need to be fancy or what. And ngizwile mangibukela in post match ka coach. Shilo ukuthi ubewasho ukuthi Kiputito was wrong. And it was my first time hearing him saying that. I think the game Richards Bay was there. They play. They're good ngokudlala. But nathi mfethu sibonisile ukuthi we are a big team. When we were supposed to defend, we tried ukuthi sisakhame pressure ukuthi yehle. And we got the important goals.
Yeah. It's all about the results now.
The results,
We're at that stage of the season where performances,
So you born.
young in danger.
Sure.
Coast.
Yeah, mfana, I think then it wasn't the most pleasing of displays. We didn't create as many chances as I would have liked.
Yeah.
Or as we normally do. Yeah, man. It was just one of those games, but the result was important, and we came through. I think that's what's important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At this stage, it's all about results, and I'll keep saying. So we'll analyze games because obviously we have to analyze.
Sure.
Check our weak points and our strong points and where the team can improve. By this stage of the season, Mr. Mlambo, Someone said it, now it's we're going to 10 cup finals. We treat every game as a cup final. A title race in there. I'm not sure, Mr. Mlambo, in your life since favoring Orlando Pirates, you won like title race like toe to toe. In danger. If it to like two teams, this season. It's been a long time, coach. Let's be honest,
Yeah.
and while you only take it if by this time you know there's a clear person that is clear on the top. Maybe it's about 6 points or 10 points clear. So if you brilliant, if we love to see this coach, and I like to coach now. He acknowledged ukuthi it wasn't the prettiest of displays.
Sure.
But now she ukuthi I'm happy with the result.
Sure.
Because what is Sundowns? Balibele bathi inenkinga but mawuyibheka manje yabona ukuthi these guys are back.
Yeah, they are solid now.
They are solid now, fit. You know that game with Nekishi like Ray. But well, fit, hey, structure sabona siyathusanyana. We really need to up our game.
Sure.
In PhD he said it, our coach when it's under siege, that's where he throws those big guns. I don't think you'll see Abu Masindi like from now going forward. Sure. And I wonder experimenting and then some can say we are where we are because of him, because when we get consistent results, he relaxes.
Sure.
And then Azamor introduces our Tubawan.
Sure.
If this guy was serious from day one, Mr. Mlam, I'm telling you, by now we'll be over 5 points or 6 points clear. While Sundowns will still take a takey. So we wait for them to come, and then Lorona, we try to up our game. It can easily hurt us.
Sure.
But let's keep on winning. Mr. Mlam. Rating yaga coach AP.
Angizomkai 7 da. I think he started the game well. Namachance akawaqalile, but always I'll say start Mahub. I need abantu like aba understander yangithona who have been playing for Orlando Pirates, but not a bad display. Ukufaka uSibilibili got an assist yangithola izinto ezinjalo. Him acknowledging ukuthi enze mistake ngokukhipha uTito because we couldn't press anymore. Or really couldn't be a good personnel who came as all. Not always. Yabo ube wa mention not the young. But I don't think uyenza izinto ezirong kakhulu. Think ile yasaplayer yakatito nje ezami usithikazisa kancane. But okuningi ngikhala.
Again, phela when Tito comes off, really plays the number 10 role. And then every time he plays there, and I said it even last time, I'm yet still not convinced about really playing there. But I know if he masters that position, he'll be a brilliant player. But again, he proved my point.
Sure.
I would see that number 10 role sometimes. And the coach now, he keeps on doing it. I don't know what he's trying to achieve. Because even on your post match, you said it. Coach was not supposed to take off our policy that time. Really, let's be honest, really was not on the key. Goes to you were saying that after the first 20 minutes when you look at ngekho kanjani goes that if it does really akangene game. And then Mwakena like him was shift on the right side, and then he created that semi assist, and then we bang one. So Ali like on the right or on the 10 position, he relies more on moments because he's a special player. He's not someone that will be in the game He left those moments individual brilliance. I think a 7 is fair. Coast 3 points in the back.
Yeah. I think we can take a 7 if it's. He did well in fact to the fact that we got the results. But I was just worried was he worried about the goal difference in a sense, or in fact we need to score a lot of goals, or was he like, hey, let's just get the results once? And I think he was more about winning, less about scoring a lot of goals.
Yeah. So now you approach it, would you go like first you have to no, or are you talking awansal gaming or before game?
No, I think during the game, in Jackie assess game, because you look at how China was like just relaxing. After one goal, we waste an hour, like one so you have a sense, or maybe that's the tactic, the coach, you are. Because for me, that thing doesn't work. In fact, in that situation, we are chasing the league goal difference. So it could go down to goals. So that we won a league Polar Valley Ajax draw on points, and we took it on goals, 2 goals. So no, to game we should be scoring a lot of goals.
I get you. And then sometimes I criticize China on wasting time. But in fact, yesterday, I think it was necessary. Like there was a time where we were under siege, close to it. Richards Bay, they were coming for us. They were really, even the first 20 minutes. When we felt like we were unsettled, we didn't know how to react to the defense. I was like, what is the problem here? Like all those guys were compact, the disciplined. They didn't cause us problems. I won't lie. Marakimi, it was on the fence. You can see they can score only one. So I think now to try and instill that goal difference,
it's gonna cause worry.
It can go against us. Let's primarily let's 3 points. 3 points. Let's get 3 points. Then when we see where there's an opportunity here to bang in more goals,
we do that.
That's where he becomes an opportunist and try to take the chance. Yesterday, there wasn't, that opportunity was not there of going for more goals. That if we try to go for more goals in front, Nerka consider.
Yeah, maybe, but I don't believe in that. In fact, now if I believe in attacking football, why attack?
Marcos, you can attack every. Like sometimes, in fact, maybe the opposition is better than you tactically. You just have to relax. Maybe if you got a scrappy goal, like I said, PC one turn, it's Boma 15 minutes to go one turn. Let's try and secure the point. Unlike in so what one naive, in so what hotel and so on, or what 151 $1 they have a number on us.
No, Don. I think you're talking about different situations. I'm talking about Arel gaming, Nale Shugela we have the players with all the creativity. Let's keep exploring that. Relay, we have Police, we have Tito, creativity, but we have Mbata, we have Zbelebele, we have Hotu. So for me, in fact, we shouldn't be having China Roberts, let's take that ball and give it to these players. These players are good. They will make these chances.
They are good. I don't dispute.
But this it was not working. That's its fire.
Yes, but now remember, but you won't have a good game each and every game. Yes, sometimes you'll have a bad game. Nzandla equally so is talented and have a bad game. I'm having a bad game as well. Are you saying we must still try and force things and force to score even when we see we can maybe we have one goal. We can just relax and work very hard to keep our structure, I think that would be the best approach. I like to keep going even if you see maybe the tactics at that day. Because every game at that day the tactics they are not right, players are off form.
And you are on top of
you just
secure the points, then move forward.
Let's secure, fun.
I beg to differ, gentlemen. And I keep attacking to that goal will come. That goal will come. You can't tell me it will not come. It's impossible. No, it's not impossible.
It's not impossible.
Yes, so for the fact that there's a chance, let's keep creating chances. When we have the ball, that's where we are more dangerous. Then that's where we at least gonna have chances or consider goal. So let's keep the ball and let's keep attacking. That's my view.
I think in Donna, even what you are saying, I think that's what we were trying to do yesterday. But we could see, or for some reason, it's not really happening. That's why coach ended up Sarah fitting the guard defending 3 points. Because we were trying, Ghost, in fact. They were trying, but those guys were organized, in fact. Neval pop, fella, by pop. Last 15 minutes, by pop, in fact. One time.
Yeah.
I think, in fact, let's take that one
3
goal.
points.
One
That's
time.
the primary thing.
Let's
Then
take
it's,
that one goal. We'll get games where we see wona ublashonyana yabona aburele wafikile abapolisi bafikile. Let's capitalize on goal difference.
Today we are going for the title. That game is every game.
Mara, you
You
must
can't
not be
be
desperate, Ghost.
there will be games. Every game must be that
But
game.
you must not be desperate. What Fire is saying, the team, Richards Bay was better in terms of as much as they were not coming to us, ngokora, but tactically, nokudlala ibhola in half spaces. If you try to go more hard on them, they could have got a chance.
Yeah.
Rather get the 3 points than getting a draw. You saying you just want to get goals. The very most important thing is getting 3 points.
Yeah.
Getting goal difference, we'll worry about that one. But the primary job was to get 3 points. And which is missing a one. Securing that one was good for us. Yenzakele sathola penalty sathola 2, which is good.
Nah, for me, Niwani was not good. In fact, I won't say one was good.
If we took 3 points yesterday, we're gonna say one is not good.
1-0. I was not gonna be happy with 1-0.
You are not gonna be happy.
Yeah,
we need the
Ndwa.
same
Hey,
points
Ghost,
with them.
you know, worry,
Ndwana, we needed to be on top of Sundowns yesterday.
But not
1-0 was not gonna
not
give us there.
forceful.
But
Let's not
hey,
force it.
sometimes if it can happen, Ghost,
It
please
can
take 3
happen.
points.
No,
You
there's
can't
also
say
other
you're not happy
games.
1-0.
There's also another game. Sundowns gonna play Chiefs. They can lose now. Let's focus on getting the points.
And even I was listening to Ukaruso as well.
Sure.
A journalist asked him similar questions. Say if it now it's gonna go down to goal difference. I'm told.
Yeah.
What's your approach? And hey, that guy was like, if it, I now don't tell me about goal difference.
3
My
points.
primary in my mind, I'm saying we must win at all costs.
3 points.
Young told, let's get 3 points.
care
Young
about
told.
goals.
You can try and go for a second goal. You ended up conceding, and now you are
Then-
behind on points. Now it's a
Yeah, and you
problem.
have
Oh, now
goals.
when you have points difference, now it's a problem.
It's better if it's goal different.
Yeah. Mupagania, let us know what you think as well, Bafit, in terms of the approach Chaka goes. But I think for me, it's naive in Dona.
Yeah.
I never spun. Moving on to Sipo Chain.
I think Sipo Chain Tanga always delivers for us. There's nothing much yesterday, make I think.
Yeah.
I'll take from Mama Point ka PhD, young tall. Every time I get petty ball along Chito bag, uhlala push and a ball.
Yeah.
Then he plays the ball in strike, Malis. Then we can play. Yes, there were mistakes akawayenzi njengoba sikhalela ubhodlela, passing ubhodlela under pressure. Aslahleni
Yeah.
if it's possible. But he has grown as a person in terms of ukudlala ibhola. Angikhali kakhulu naye, but we can grow from this because sekumele sithathe league, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the arrogance in Tanga Yaga Sipo? Because in fact, Sipo is arrogant. In fact, let's be honest. Sometimes he wants to challenge our support.
No, the thing is, Ntanga, like it's both sides. And then what I see amanye ama-points ka PhD, and I had my PhD. Like,
Yeah,
when mawusha ispan sakho, espanning,
yeah.
you know how to do the span and you have plans. Mr. Mlambo can't tell you how to do the job. He's a support, he's gonna support you. But nathi we must not make him to force ukuthi ayenza ama-decision afuna ukuthi ayenzwe yithi because thina sibona ngathi angayenza something better. They gym, they train ejimini, no coach. They have a plan. Tina, we're not there.
Yeah.
So if the plan ukuthi kumele kuyenzakale so, if he's doing that plan,
Yeah.
I don't think it's arrogance. Ushaya ispan sakhe. Because if akasashaya nespan sakhe, we're gonna complain. That's why ngisho ukuthi sengiyibheka both sides. Nathi ama-fans sometimes will want abantu or the players to do whatever we see.
Yeah.
But players now, no coach, they have their plan. So I think Nazi, we should give the players a platform.
Yeah. No, definitely. I'm not agreeing with our fans who will try and sometimes man in stadium, young Tola. Sometimes you want to raise your frustration. Those are, man, release, young Tola, release. I don't think there's nothing wrong, young Tola. But Usipo, is trying to take fans like head on, yangizwa.
Kanjani?
In terms of sometimes organized players, you're not going there, yangizwa. I need to know ukuthi sometimes ayaphuma lama room ukuthi is the ringleader, yangizwa into enjani. They'll do those decisions. No, PhD said it ukuthi this guy is a stubborn guy, I understand. For me, if you're a player, yangizwa into enjani, don't focus on the noise, like valile, yangizwa. Shaya ispan sakho.
I think mina uyasishaya. Thina ama-fan we want.
No, that's why I'm saying go to arrogant. He wants to retaliate to things that are happening off the pitch. Sometimes na lento distract. For me.
Yeah, I hear
Ghost.
Yeah, I think lena one necessary mo na concept wa one. You can just let it go. Defend. That thing is gonna happen. It can. And another thing that maybe is unfortunate. To stadium cannot defend it any team. Sundowns, Chiefs. So out of frustrated like defense Chiefs and then Otlongala defense Ogofela.
Yeah.
It's short sighted. So I think Sipo must do better.
Sipo must do better. Sipo to like if anything, I've never seen like a player trying to challenge the fans. Okay, I've seen it once or twice, but it doesn't end well.
Yeah.
Remember that Chaka guy, Arsenal guy, not throwing hands on, so it didn't end well for him. So Zipon to just focus on the game. There'll always be noise. No, allow thinking these people will change. They won't change.
Yeah.
We're dealing with a lot of different people. They are sometimes EPI Paiso Stadium. People come there, they are drunk. You saw that guy that was sitting behind us. He kept on saying like unnecessary things all game. You'll get those people. So now you entertainer
You must be a professional.
be a professional. Put your emotions aside.
Sure.
You know, these players, they know that center line. Those guys in fact will die for that team. They won't boo player. They won't. For you to say I'm not going there because I PhD's point because the center line supporters abakuzi labanye abapuwa. Like, how can you manage that?
I'm not taking that.
You can't manage that.
Angifuni sibeke kusipha I think it's a team decision, you understand? No,
Yeah.
even naye noma ngayiqala, but like it's a team,
Collective
so
thing,
that's why angifuni ukuthi siyiblame kuyo yonke. If they didn't do it to Sipho initiating, I think it's the whole team. Angithi na njengo PhD athi if the center line didn't do that abanye hit song. I think if we initiating nabanye mele bamkhuza angithi bakhona aboxoki bakhona abosibisi. They are a lot.
Yeah.
Nabo Tito.
Yeah.
I do not want to ukuthi sibeke kuya once ithi uSipho kanje kanje. Yeah.
You had obviously rumors saying, I don't want to mention names, but saying ukuthi this thing actually is discussed even before it happens. So management knows about it, the hierarchy knows about what's going to happen. Do you believe that?
Mina if bayayenza bayaqhubeka ukuyenza sho ukuthi babagayile authority noma maybe bangashongo sho ukuthi banayo authority. So that's why ngithi I think let's be fair in terms of singayibeke emntwini oyi-one because noma ngayi initiator if bayenza bonke bayenze bonke. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. Yeah.
Do you believe that, Ghost, in this instruction of maybe if one of our own is mistreated, you're not going to the supporters? Do you think it's from management?
I wouldn't know. I don't think so though.
And I don't buy that story. In fact, these guys, they know the supporters are very important. In fact, I think this new culture there is with these players. One or two rotten potatoes there. And we're not saying Guti, I'm a fan, right? We are wrong equally so. But the reaction, it doesn't help the situation.
Yeah, not to the center line in fact it doesn't deserve that in fact.
Hey, center line in it doesn't fun. Like it doesn't, I don't know lie in fact. You see, Tatana was hurt if it like that guy was hurt if it. like you could see or this guy mfethu wanzola is not the tatana that you know wanzola this guy was set or mara batho ba re treata jwang mfethu wanzola re ba emetse la mfethu ba plomela a re shang nkwela ra ba esa ba plomela wanzola qeta ba vaya mfethu those people mfethu were head really head yanzona i-rating yakhe ndanga
I'll give him a 7 da. Kunale free kick eshayile lentwana uMthembu le mengikhala ngayo 20. I think first half that's on this side.
yeah
Lezi straight kuye le.
Mengezi straight. That ball was dangerous.
hayi cause nearly dangerous
That ball was dangerous. Mengezi
yeah
straight.
ele dangerous
Yeah, ball made
and he was check that China lena o kenya loto la so ha sure China o tlo fihla ra wanzola that was a tricky one.
Young, so those kind of things in mina zangijabulisa. Yes, that's why I'm saying he can improve. Nalapho sikhalile ngobhodlela ukuthi why ini yangithola. But naye mase ngibheka ama highlights. Elinye ibhola sometimes elalilahle. Siqale kabusha. Yangithola he can improve on that. But ngizomgaya 7 man.
Do you agree with the 7? Because I feel like that's too high of it, considering even the things that.
But it's not him. How do you know it's him? Like not we must.
No mara na ulahleli isandla kumafeni le ntanga.
Usilahlelile zona.
Yeah, grounding.
Bamshaye ngani amafan.
Hayi angazi bamshaya ngani.
Yabo like asina full information utheni noma singakhipha inkama. Uthe abalahlela ngezinto lapha yabashaya izinto lapha egroundini.
Yeah.
You get it.
Yeah.
So now I think we don't have a full story like in terms of that one. That's why ngithi asingayibeki kuya yiwana.
No, but mina
Asibeke
ngithi
ku-team.
ulahleli isandla like kumafeni. That's
Usalahlele.
a really, that's a reaction
Yeah.
to the provocation yamafeni of which as a professional akumelanga ayenze right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I hear if they were throwing like things at him, I wonder.
It's not right nakhona nathi we must take it. So that's why ngithi akumele siyibeke kuya yiwana. Siyibeka ku team.
And like we must do better, mfethu. Like we
Nathi must do better.
mfethu. Like nathi mfethu.
Holy.
Like ustingwana.
Yeah.
We must do better, mfethu. Like this behavior is unacceptable, mfethu.
Barbaric.
Like the team mfethu is doing so well, mfethu. Like the team.
being barbaric mfethu.
I don't know ukuthi lento le ibuya va mfethu. Angizwa.
Yazi utheni kuJabu?
this
Uthe
is
the boys
bad.
is the first time baba kule position.
Sure.
Only thing Tina we can do, we can just support them.
Sure.
If we know 1-0 sharp, 2-0 sharp, 3-0 sharp. We
And
must be there.
you know sometimes mfethu like CBC lena mfethu as a captain mfethu. Man CBC as a captain lena mfethu is not doing his job properly mfethu. You know as a captain you must organize your troops mfethu. CBC is a professional.
Yeah.
But for me now it seems like he's a professional alone. Now I'll just do the right thing. I don't care what others do. Young so like you know SBC, he won't turn against fence, that guy. He's that type of a guy. Young so. So now if he can't manage you see he must manage those situations.
Ngiyasho ngithi I don't think it's him alone. Mina
No.
into engiyikhuza-
Listen now, Mr. Mlambo. I'm saying the situation like a ghost. Young so where he's throwing a hand, like everyone can visually see which this guy is throwing his hand. As a captain, you run to that guy, you give him a shout. In fact, you don't do that. In fact, keep your nerves down. Leave abantu laba bayenza into bayenzayo. Stick here, young Zol in danger. As a captain, young Zol. And I think you said it once or twice. Or look at Dienwotu shouting at Sipochai.
Sure.
I've never seen Upodela do that, young Zol.
Yeah.
If he's not fit for that belt, give it to Wotu. Who'll able to put this guy on his place if he sees like that behavior and all in danger. You have a responsibility as a captain. You can't just say, I'll just focus on my thing and be because I have an umpire, or just be excited to run into the referee and fighting for decisions. Organize your troops. Tell them.
Yeah.
I feel like that also guy can do a slightly better job. If he can shout at China the way he was yesterday, it wasn't only once. I think twice. He was telling him, even that much one that Arway fixed that
Sure.
Azanga fixed. He went to him. If you're going out, make sure. Oh, they're not fit. Shouldn't let these situations get out of hand. Do you agree with the 7 Coast?
No, I would have given Sipo a 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I would give him a 6 in fact. And so like slightly because he made a couple of crucial saves, he didn't concede. His behavior and is just and so the one nje iphuma endleleni. Moving on to Spilebele Ntanga, right back.
Assist.
Yeah.
That's Mamosha for you.
Yeah.
Uyahamba abuya shaya assist.
Yeah.
Yes, I know one. I think ngizophinda ngiyasho le into nje Richards Bay were good.
Yeah.
Playing the ball, they were faster than us in some instances, uyangithola.
Yeah.
1v1 banokumdlula, uyangithola.
Yeah.
But he was there, Ntanga. I mean, into engiyithandayo, even when we attack, he gives us something. That's important for us.
Yeah.
Because if he was also not there, lela goal leliya, phela urile Ntanga phela leliya bola komunye umuntu kumele ngaphuma. But
Yeah.
utholile uMamosha walibuyisa game in a beautiful
In
goal.
fact, did you get a chance to look back at that pass?
Yeah, usha kanje.
You.
saw
If you look at
Yeah,
that, you. I realize a special player with
Coco
this
Melo.
girl shaki really fell like yeah, cool. Now we such in fact. Literally, by the defender, if it go Spilebele.
Sure.
I'm like, wow, fit, wow. And then small percentages that makes you like win the game. And so,
Yeah.
Paul was beautiful of it. Equally so, ne assist yaga Spilebele.
Sure.
You know, I think now he had a decent game with Spilebele. Young so,
Yeah.
just that sometimes he rushes. Young so, end up committing fouls. Young so, but other than that, in Tanga, like attacking wise, I have Skyline in Tanga.
Sure.
His pace, it's a weapon. In fact, it's a weapon. Young so, beautiful assist from Spilebele.
Yeah, it was a beautiful one. I think we could have utilized him way more than we did in Moban, in fact. Nadula Buti line him to Buti ground.
Yeah.
Until he was always open for the ball. Just played a copy in fact. No one is gonna be faster than Spilebele.
Yeah. So I'm Zama Kimbata.
Yeah, but lena na di kenya ka short or amofa moloto. Kenya go pele one so. Asakara it's already a one-on-one situation, or he can cut back to Mutuma to score a tepi.
Yeah.
So I felt like Netamle almost punished more than they did yesterday.
Nah.
Yeah, but he played well.
Played well, ne? And then we have a right back down. Spilebele.
Quality. Quality.
We have a right back down.
Muna seila mfeto aska iketla mo.
I was going there. Or let's say like I kisamulela all. Spilebele fit.
Yeah, quality.
You. Le tie sharp arm fit.
Yeah.
Mona na ngurela ininga vela rta.
Sure.
Vela tela again fit. Now he's a forward player. You can see naturally this guy is a forward player.
Sure.
Yeah. Beautiful and rating
7.
yeah
I deserve.
bonke bazothola ama-7 vanach ne
Sesomuntu esizuma.
3 no coach.
3 coach okay 7
Yeah, I think cause Ntanga midlala neside eligrand.
yeah but I'm not yeah, I'm just saying
Yeah, I think 7 because ama contribution abo. I mean I deserve a 7.
yeah this one I think it was a 7 as well. Moving on to Siyama Coast.
Yeah, usually Kolile Seville ngile mfethu. We currently mistake ile asibi sorry, moba fitis things bis.
Yeah.
Let me but I cut back.
Seville Kolu ntwanele da mfethu. Wantswa. Yeah, I think he had a overall a decent game. Mabona celebration ne bale shakinyana le podlela ramra. But yeah, he was better than the last game. Yeah.
Nothing much to say. I think it was even that one beautiful.
Yeah. 7.
7.
7.
Let's see if you'll keep 7 for UCB.
Usbisi mfethu Alberiel. That's why I don't condone ukuthi ama player into wrong.
Yeah.
But sometimes naye mela nyusa amasokisi mfethu.
Yeah.
A 4. Definitely a 4.
Yeah.
Because Ntanga kunalapho at save khona CM.
Yeah.
Like what is he doing? Like uyenzani? Khahle ibhola ngaphandle mfethu.
Mfethu khona leli is it that same chance or ipi? Khona la guy uchayine makaqeda kavulela ibhola.
Nalela
baba libuyisa ulguy ucash. Yeah.
Nalelo liro uyangithola zibhaka kanjani? mfethu phela cishe sadliwe izolo.
Ubhodlela,
And we're not saying he's a bad player or one thing.
Yeah.
We saying that he must do better. We want to win. Yangithola. That's why I'm not condoning ukuthi ama player angaculi nabantu blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Yangithola. Nama fan vela azokwata, emotions are high. Sibisi can do better mfethu. Mase sokolo simncoma manje what is he doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Konje the time when he took the defender of the season, bekaphela round 1 da. Was it Sesan?
Sometimes noXoki yeah no Sesani because Sesani walimala first round of the season angisho.
Yeah.
Then baloku bashintsha Nombokazi. Yeah, Nombokazi. Last season angisho into last season leyo phela ungakhohlwa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kodwa ngithi uqale noSesani walimala. Then kwangena uMbokazi for the second half of the season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I speak Fana, that guy needs to improve on fit. I speak fit now I'm running out of patience and I don't know
ngayishintsha.
Hayi nani lenye ke ngimake ntanga.
Kawale ngayithatha
man species man ntanga like if it's busy now I'm running out of patience I don't know na lie. Uyatatazela ntanga.
Nalapha phambili. Nalapha sibhola yatatazela.
Like if it like no my trap people uyabona ukuthi lo muntu akekho comfortable ntanga. Like we chasing Mamelodi Sundowns.
And we're not bashing him. We want him to do better.
We want him to do better.
Wrong. Your parent is gonna reprimand you for you to do better. So nalento le ama fan or this new culture ukuthi hey player malenza wrong, hey you bashing our players, hey you saw Pirates camp what.
Yeah.
Because ayikho leyo nto.
Sure.
If you've played football and you know football, setshelani VAR.
Yeah.
For someone to get better, you must tell someone the truth. Ungayivula ukuthi Spisi doing better. Angayenzi better.
Sure.
Hey.
Fetu, species, this guy must do better. And coach now, Fetu, it doesn't help him. Fetu, it doesn't.
Yeah.
You can see where this guy is off form. It's terrible form. Terrible coach, Fetu.
Sure.
There's no way or this guy will keep on playing. He's gonna cost us, in fact. Yeah. Again, he wants him to do a mistake in 90 minutes. Lose 1-0. Sundowns is champion. And then I don't introduce a Chabazan.
Yeah.
This is not on. Be proactive, in fact.
Sure.
Take off space, in fact. Simple. He must be off. I do them benching coast.
Yeah.
What a tazela, in fact. I get the more penikisaki. Or maybe this is the first time being in a title race, in fact.
Yeah.
Or maybe now he's seeing too much quality around him now, or now. This guy is, and I haven't said this last time. Would sometimes you get quality players, and I normally libuya le pezulu, ntanga lo muntal trap, you see you don't have that ability. You start to panic now. But you are the captain of the ship, in fact.
And he has done it.
So confident.
That's why he has done it for so long.
Yesterday I was disappointed.
Yeah.
Usawalubulela ball ntwana. Jana umntwana udlale mangu udlale CMA li1. CMA is a young player. Udlale yena li1.
Sure.
Yeah, but in fact, it's something else because I bulela vie batlomkaya it's in total.
Sometimes you in that's why
it's like a hire him too. This is where this guy can't play. If wabona or now I'm under pressure, 0 fit. Kick that ball forward.
No, China kahle ball. Sometimes yabona nalapho sikhale ngayo.
And then you must know your players as a goalkeeper.
You must know your players.
This guy you can't keep this guy under pressure.
Yeah.
Then we start. Then we mark, guys. Because you saw Spisi just did a mistake. He play allowed. The guy confident.
Yeah.
So now you just fail ezinye izinto, but now he can do better.
I can do better.
Yeah, I can do
Just
better.
try and introduce Chabazani. I mean, even now, you're not really playing big games in that. We playing teams that are gonna apply a low block.
No, they are big. That's why. That's why they are big.
Yeah.
Angithi nabo sebafuna ukuphuma la emqeni.
Yeah.
So now everyone usheshile ghost. Abantu bafuna ukungena ku M1080 abantu bayenzana.
I get that.
So now we're running for the time is different now. Uzodlala ni Polokwane. Ikuphe different game. Yangithola as much as we have quality, but I think the stage of the league is
my point is when you're playing against a big team, you won't get 3 seconds on the ball. Yangithola. There'll always be someone who's here. Mawenzi mistake. So here, you're playing against teams a majority of them, they wanna give you space and time to relax and young tall. So I'm saying in that sense, he can take off Speedy because that CBC guy, because he sees even in those games, he still panics. Young tall, and not like Richards Bay was pressing us 90 minutes. They started coming at us towards the end of the game. Young tall. Even those small press that was apply like casually there and there, you would see Speedy at young tall. Take off CBC coach, that guy must sit on the bench. Let's introduce who they Uchabatzani there, Coast.
Yeah, I know Fitz. I think Podela didn't have the best of games yesterday. And I think the previous game he was getting better,
Yeah,
but
was
now,
getting better.
yeah, his performance this time went down again. But Podela, boy. But he was good, Opola Marathon, even at the
Uqale
beginning.
kahle,
Yeah, at the
then
beginning of the
kube
season.
neyinkinga nje.
Yes, Coast. And at the time when he was good, I was praising Pole.
Yeah.
You can see where he's off form. Now that's my point. This guy, I don't want us to be reactive. Now we lost 2 points or we lost 3 points, and then now we're saying Podela. That's why I'm angry now. So that this guy he makes changes, he introduces Chabazani there. One thought.
Yeah.
We can't afford to be reactive now. Let's be honest. We can't. Like there's small margin for error. Cause the one mistake we out of the title race.
Sure.
It doesn't look like Sundowns is gonna drop points for me. The few moments that I saw them, I saw these guys they mean business. One all. If you're gonna start Liverpool you're gonna have this podcast next week in Donna Lamba. That time I won't have the energy or shout. I was like, now it's gone, it's done, let's forget about it.
Yeah.
One turn. Take out CBC girl. Simple. Young turn. He said to Mrita 4. Yeah, I think you are lenient, Mr. Mlambo. I think you are. I don't wanna lie.
It was a 4.
It was a 4 for you.
Yeah, it was a 4.
Yeah, now for me, it was a 3 for Podlela. Can't even manage situations. Disappointed. I don't wanna lie.
Pagamisa Podlela.
I'm angry.
I can get better.
Yeah, Captain Witz uzopakamisa ngiyamthemba.
Moving on to Tienoto.
It's an 8 before nyakuthi.
Yeah.
Uthundanga ngathi intwana encane mfethu.
Yeah.
Hotso is our set piece taker now.
Yeah.
Yonke set piece uwe nama-cross. Usibisi futhi mekumele akore la. I told you.
Ubonile
le tshele ngayo le muthi CM.
Yeah.
She was supposed to score kanenhlanhla egoli.
That's another thing.
Uyangithola.
Akusinhlanhla Mr. Mlambo.
Hayi
It's not
inhlanhla
like
gozi simele sihambe semfuleni nje sezilungisa. Asikho
he
lapho.
must just score.
I think intanga uhuthu ntanga it's getting better and better and better.
Yeah.
Every time it's getting better and better and better. Yes, unamaphutha wakhe nalapho uMrema amkhotsela khona. Mase ngiyicheck, I think he could have done better than nakhona mekayi-1. The lagal hit. But like singamupha leyo nto mfethu. Huthu like the past 5 games has been giving us izinto kanje mfethu. Yeah.
Marizamile le ahe.
What do you have against Otto? Let's be honest.
What is that?
Manje.
Vitule goes to Vituna mo China Yashang, one bad cross.
Yeah.
Anyway, like China now is showing his true colors.
Here's the Hutsu I know.
Here's the Hutsu I know.
It wasn't even like that deep. I was just bantering. This is the Hutsu that I know. Shadi would cross this. So I was not
real.
Yeah, I was not like, this is.
I know, Vele, you were not angry, but you know, previously when Otto was bad, like you always want to throw those comments, jokingly with, hey, I got that sense from Maracus if this guy has been giving us brilliant performances.
No, it was not that. It was not that. Don't blow it out of proportion. It was not that.
Oh, I'm glad it's done.
It was not that.
I'm glad it's done.
Yeah.
A beautiful performance from Tienoto. The most improved player for me. The most. I don't wanna lie. And I'm still saying that introduction it was necessary. It was far too relaxed. That Otto guy. You can see now, I mean, now that guy is hungry. He makes sure that everything I do, I have a purpose. Those crosses, those runs, even when he plays like short passes, you can see it's not that reckless hold to that would unprovoked in shy passing a short that guy opponent. Most improved player for me.
Mka 8.
8, ne?
Yeah, 8.
I think it deserves it, Coast.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going 7.
Yeah, but 7 equally so,
Yeah.
Moving on to Cash and down.
Cash izolumeka yohlaba lapha ya. Ehlaba labafana, hlaba Cash.
Yeah.
Bambele intwana amaqakala eziningi. It's been a long time since I saw Cash abambe intwana amaqakala kanje. But yesterday he was supposed to. I'm still saying that Mthembu guy there in the middle of the park phethe le u6 ngikhohli isibongo sayo. Yangithola. I think they were when they play the ball they're too fast, yangithola. And most of the times it's us ozobamba ibhola kakhulu. Leza intwana lezi, yeah, as much as they were not threats, they were there like masizidlala ibhola. That frustrated Cash. So I think umsebenzi wakhe izolo ngokushaya isicathulo nje. Even got a yellow card, but asikhala kakhulu. Nale yathende ya naye akayenza ikhona if possible. Naye akamtshele ubani Space.
Yeah.
I think that thing could have costed us, yangithola. Makasikhala kakhulu,
There was
asikhala
no
kakhulu.
ball. No, I can't blame it on the heading. I heard PhD say,
Uzama ukuthena,
I
yeah,
don't
those
blame you on
decisions
Cash.
they were bad, yangithola. But I think uKash intangayo usihlabile leza intwana vele bekumele ayihlabe. Nothing much good. Yes, uzamile ukuphasa amabhola esayidini kancane. Yeah, into engiyibone
rating.
6.
I think 6 performance Coast. Ne?
Yeah. I think Cash utropile lena from what he was giving us. Yeah, I felt like his performance dropped from the previous games.
Yeah, hence the 6.
Yeah.
Moving on to Talent Mbata.
Ipoza. Talent Mbatha owns the arena.
Yeah.
Why yena singamenzeli ingoma Coast? Ingoma
yakhe.
Musaleni bani Mufukeng. Talent why?
Yes.
Talent deserves a song because that guy simplifies football.
He said he's going to compose the track and introduce it, Mr. Mlam.
Angisabhala. Still writing. Yangithola, but like that guy is something special. Mabithi beza kuthinde nje kancane abasuse. Uzibonile lethi mathi zampress kancane nje.
Ayakashaya lizi la kancane lelathi.
Yangithola kunale shot le akayishayile. Ubonile usikrate lesa space kanjani? Side space le ayithi yamlandela uletha ngayi esayidini. Shy stina ntanga. Almost a goal, but he was there ntanga. That's what we want to see.
There was a guy who said Talent Mbata doesn't shoot. That guy who said Talent doesn't shoot.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Or he said he doesn't shoot long ranges.
Chukutakazi Mbatha. Hayi phela ukuthi uzoshaya every time. Kunale bhola abadlalile uyiphasa esayidini uTalent ayiphasa uHutu. Hutu waledela I think kwapolice. Apolice walibuyisa. Lubuyisele mekunombuthuma no bani Tito.
Yeah.
UZutito athi uyashaya ngo right.
Oh, I like exciting.
You saw that pass now. 4 passes we in the box. That's what he gives us. I think he was also our best player yesterday.
Yeah, he was
definitely.
running. He was running that midfield. That guy, but it's something else.
Sure.
That guy goes there. I remember you saying it. That guy, generational, in fact.
Yeah.
But it must always be there. Say Lorenji, he must preserve him for injuries. In terms of rating, his performance and rating.
Yeah, Antona, I think he was my best player for yesterday. I think maybe tied with the police. But he was fantastic in fact to run. He was running that midfield in fact to doing all the right things, linking up from defense to forward. Sure. He was doing all the right things, shooting when we needed a shot, passing, long passes, short passes. Yes, that cross. Wow. Yeah. So I think he was very good yesterday. I was gonna give him a 9.
Yeah,
just below a 10. Strong 9. Yeah.
Strong 9. Yeah, I agree with you. Moving on to Reda Mufuke.
Kokomelo nethu. Asiyithandeni. Ngithi mayenza okuhle sayithanda. Asiyithandeni. Asingabapheleli umoya. Cocomelon noma ngadlali it's gonna give you special moments.
Yeah.
That ball mesikhuluma ngalo akasibilibili.
Yeah.
Ushayine ipali lo mfana lo.
Yeah.
Bekangadlali. You understand? That's what it's going to give you. But they say there were few mistakes akawenza decision making. Really doesn't usually make bad decision making. That's why also he's the president of Forma 2K because he always on point in decision making yakhe. Sihlale sisho ukuthi unokubona izinto thina singaziboni.
Yeah.
Uyangithona. So like fans were frustrated amanye ukuthi really we know we can do better. Bandanga it's one of those games. Ubuya ku 3 men of the matches zomuntu. Wazamkehlisa kancane mara sisase training. Uyangithola. I think uzophakamisa na.
Player of the month as well.
Player of the month.
Yeah, I think you can have like 1 or 2 bad performances. I won't crucify him. Yeah, it's not even a bad.
It's not bad.
It's not a
Yeah,
bad.
it's
Ukuthi nje we want him to always
Yeah.
lapha kuya khona.
Yeah. Just that these games are not nice. In fact, like pressure games.
Sharp.
I could understand where Joachim was coming from. I say, man, it's not a draw, a Sundowns will do. The pictures
so
are
yes,
prepared, way even before the
Yeah,
title
sure.
race. I want. Hey, but if it was possible, I'd
gonna
like
be
that
nice.
situation. You know,
Yeah.
because it's not nice to play under pressure. You know that when I went to the stadium, it's all on time. Like I didn't have that thing. You know, I think it's because I knew Sundowns already above us. We catching up. And if maybe they drew or they lost, I think my energy would have been on another level.
Abavumeli bayenze kanjalo.
Eish.
Don't allow them.
Yeah.
Just focus on the happiness of Orlando Pirates.
Umthandazo wabathakathi.
Wabathakathi.
I can't help it. Ngiyazama, but I can't.
Hayi 6 ntanga for me Cocomelon.
6, ne?
Yeah, i6 yakhe ishaya amapali, iphasa amaphasa amnandi. Yena he must always be there.
Yeah. I think I'd take a 6. Moving on to Poli Poli.
I wanna learn that.
Yeah.
That guy is so good.
Yeah.
That guy,
Yeah.
potential player of the season.
Sure.
I'm telling you. Apolice Intanga, the team was aborele, Apolice was always there.
Always there.
Doing things, doesn't lose the ball. That's what I like in that.
Sure.
Always composed. If it's there, they will have a champ.
There
goes they will have a champ.
Umshini lo yami.
Man of the match nayo kwesi2 seyalandelana. Yabona yena no really bayabisana.
Changes.
I told you between him and really one is gonna take player of the season.
Yeah.
Because I love base South America man. Isala la lento le. Angithi
Yasemzansi. Yeah.
Ntanga you have a champ.
I'll give a chance.
That's a 10. That's a 10.
That's a 10 out of 10
Bengamele
performance.
bamkhiphe futhi.
This guy, he keeps on going other levels, other levels.
Yeah.
Like he's been in title races before. Like he's not faced.
And sekunzima.
Yeah.
Sekunzima ntanga. Sikhala ngabobhodlela. But it's getting harder and harder.
Yeah,
It's getting easier.
Yeah, and obviously he just gets there. He does his job. As fine. This guy is too good. Poli. Poli is too. I was
Miss.
shocked when the coach just turns out police.
That.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Can't you see this guy is our best player on the pitch?
But you know the Sabta coach, they're very predictable. Akubona lineup, I can tell you the first sub until the last sub.
The first one Tito Mele Bekon.
Uyangazi. Magu lineup Tito is the first sub.
Yeah.
I'm not much to say about Poli in fact. If you're looking at this Poli in fact, I shout out to you. They keep on giving us like better and better performances. In fact, yeah, your flowers and so.
Yeah.
It's some kind of 10 Ghost.
Yeah, we can give him a 10.
That's a strong 10 in fact. Strong 10. Man of the match obviously. Was it yours as well? Ne?
Yeah. It's 2 ilandelana.
Yeah.
Sekazobamburile ngale S3.
S3 player of the month Lodi.
Yeah.
Moving on to Tito Masanganya.
Wetito. I love that guy. Gibela lento man wena man. Yekela lo coach man. Gibela lento man. Asidla. Bring us back. Yabona lento esiwarithi ngayo. Ntanga asingabi worried. It's a next player of football. Tito Kibela land.
Yeah.
You understand? Tito didn't have a best game, but kuyabonakala manje ngekho.
Yeah.
Salt.
Yeah.
I'll always make example
So,
uThwayo. uThwayo manje ngeke epapeni uyezwa kenyameni ukuthi khona into eshodayo. But mase khona futhi you don't see the importance of that. It's important for us that guy. That guy understands number 10 roles in terms of ntanga ngithatha izinto ezibhaka ku PhD. Defend from the front. When Tito goes out, you don't have that person also kurasha lokuloka gijima. You understand? Which Tito that's what it gives us.
Yeah.
Didn't have a bad game, didn't have a good game either.
Yeah.
Megadaj.
And for now, you put it so well. For now, I don't have much to add in it. Salt. And so that's salt ghost.
Yeah. I get Tito fit.
Yeah.
Ambulance.
Yeah.
I think he was decent in fit.
Sure.
No, I was gonna give him a 7 in fit. Like the effort was there in fit.
Yeah.
Tito na siyambutuma motsile ngalo press in fit.
Always.
Uyangithola. So yeah, I think for me I was gonna give him a 7.
Yeah.
Take it.
I take a 7. Like, Tito fit to salt in that. That's a perfect description. I got Tito in that. So I out.
Yeah.
Once he was hooked, ghost. You see, you
Even
lost
the
control.
coach Shilo,
Even the coach
the
said
coach
it.
said
Young
that I
Joe
wasn't
is
supposed
there.
to take Tito out.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hey, coach that. Sometimes,
it's quiet.
this guy, this guy was just taking us till he goes to it, and I'm becoming frustrated.
Nah, it's
Uthi
chance.
explore right until time.
I would say it's wrong.
Smoky chance.
Oh, it's a bully, Tito. Hey, at least now he's not feeding us good idea.
In fit, at least that's some bata.
At least that's something. That's all.
Sure.
This guy is reactionary. Is reactionary. Now he sees now. He's on the ready. He's on the fence now. Attention. Pressure is mounting and mounting and mounting. And then he wasn't supposed to let it to get to this point. Now I'm still saying it. We are supposed to be 5-6 points clear by now. If this guy was doing like the basic things, I'm not even saying come up with brilliant ideas that will outsmart Ukaros. I'm saying like do the basics right.
Sure.
Take this league. And so
We're still taking it.
We still.
yeah, no, definitely. We must. This one is a must. 2 more ghosts. What do you see?
Nice. Mfana kakoko. Azivumi manje mfana azivumi. I didn't know.
Yakhala, man.
I thought he was off yesterday. In fact, not his best game at all. And so on. The supply was there. Nebamzama mfethu borile bamhlohla mfethu. Bosibili bakenya the cross. For me, he didn't do enough.
Nah.
Yeah. He's another 4 for me.
Yeah. He's off riding. He's off form. Mbutu, man. So
Yeah.
he's off form. I think let's try Mahopa.
Yeah.
Let's try Mahopa. Although I know what I'm expecting from Mahopa, but in the fairness,
guys.
and so let's
presence.
try Mahopa.
We need presence. Mahupa is gonna give you presence. Butuma, I'm telling you, Mahupa is gonna give you presence. No matter nama fans ngathini. I mudli yena futhi leyo nto ini. He understands that stage, yangithola.
Yeah.
So mina ngithi let's start ngabantu abazosigaya leyo nto. Take nothing away from Mfana kaGogo. Sayithanda into yakhe. Kuhash. Uyazama. But he's not scoring. You understand? He's not scoring. He tries to be there. Uyafika, but he's banned like asivumi.
Yeah.
And we give it to him, yangithola. Akareste kancane maybe angene as a sub enejaki ngasipanele as a sub. As exhaust nje uMahuphu. Yabona lento eyenzakalayo ngoMahuphu. Akube vice versa. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. But mina for me it was just average.
It's just average.
Yeah.
I take average or below average, but one thing I can definitely tell you is that it's not good enough. And so at this point where we are, it's not good enough at all. And so if I was the coach, if I don't trust Mahopa as well, I try even Muremi because Muremi needs to be in and around that starting 11. That guy is dangerous. Young John. He has pace, he's direct, he has goals. Young John. Let's try him and give him a number of games in that position. Unekrach futhi Young John.
Sure.
I see with Lea Tijuang on a 9 coast. I don't think it's something that I wanna see very soon, Young John.
Yeah.
Let's try someone else there. I'll just give him a 4. Moving on to Murray Mindango, came in for Maswanganye 60 minutes.
First thing first, Leaxi penalty. Yeah. It's ayisebenzile ubafanas.
Yeah,
Leaxi penalty bafethu.
it's not. Coast.
Leaxi penalty.
Ngicheka ngayo.
Ngiyicheckile.
Why are you saying it's not?
Le uthi kahle libhola kaya chafa.
Mr.
Loya bese kashaya guiltiness yale kaMbuthuma. Cut and paste sharp. But mina for me Leaxi penalty.
That's
But ulwile boy. I'll check it.
that's not how I saw it. I checked it. I checked it.
because sizoyichecka
And
futhi.
then I not once like cause what's sometimes these commentators they can overshadow your judgments. Cause I kept on saying, for me that's not a penalty. So that contact it was very close contact. But for me, what I saw, I say ke ball ne. Ke left foot ya Mahopa. This guy kicked here. Da, which was sharp little two and so a sharp to see to la tagai and so a sharp le ball.
For me what I saw that's not a penalty.
What did you see when I get I'm giving
Ngibonele
you
umuntu lo ukhahle ibhola from the side angithona. But uyazi masihlamana. Masimhlama wahlame kumremi wajump. Then wakhomba ureferee. That's what I saw man. Angithona. Umhlamile from the side.
there was no contact for you there.
Yeah, for me, that's what I saw. That's why I need to check. But that's not a big event in the room.
Yeah.
Megabhatala izono zakhe.
Yeah.
Even noma bengathi penalty. But I think the boy is dangerous, angithona. But yesterday akasiphanga like to the full potential. I don't think he gave us to the full potential. He was mega shanga ama hesitation up. I don't know why, angithona. But like I would give it to him. Nah, my performances like lately I saw. But ngisathatha amagama kaButjab. These boys is their first time to be in this situation.
Yeah.
Let's just support them. As long as if Pasipama results, it was not a good game for him. God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ashmoremi, and I've been saying this Ngumremi Ntanga, like in fact this guy he has pace in fact. That's his weapon. Simple. When a creative player has the ball, make the run.
Sure.
Don't stand there and you fooling your way. That's not your strength.
Yeah.
Your strength is 30 passage. In fact, that guy must play through pass.
Yeah.
He kept on. Really give me the ball. Really give me the ball. Don't do that. In fact, just take the run. The ball is Oktola Pambi, young dog.
Sure.
What's your rating?
Was just average.
Average, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, close average cost.
Nanike mga 6 enough it's your little penalty over.
Yeah. I think you can take it to a 6 for that penalty, Mr. Mlam. Moving on to evidence Mahopa, 60 minutes now.
Wana tonight. Wana kaje ku ghost.
Yeah, Wana
When
says.
le penalty ushaka nje man. Yakula shayiphala ushaka endanga mina what I like about that guy.
Yeah.
Presence. Ayinandaba. Thina ama fans asikho. Empilweni yayo. We don't exist. And we need players like that.
Yeah.
Doesn't care about us. If it's you have Mesa or Goyakora, it doesn't care. He's playing a ball. If ungaphandle mayengena uzodlala kupha lento le yena akafila ngathi right, I understand. Simbona defender nayizolo lapha ya the way Richards Bay says ngakhona.
Yeah.
Sikakhahlela amabhola le. That's what I like. Good penalty.
Yeah.
Kuphethu unini ntanga. Ubani ongashaya penalty kanje phethu stick igoal kanje. Umuntu bekangathuki. But I like that about him. He has confidence noma mfethu like ama fans ingayiboni into akayenzayo.
Yeah.
Presence, that's what I like.
No.
Yeah.
Give us a different dimension as well. Nothing much really to say about my hope and
Yeah, nothing much. Good thing he scored the penalty. In fact, we needed that goal.
Sure.
So yeah, I think that we can give him one for that.
Yeah. Kudos for him for demanding it, not
Yeah.
shying away.
Yeah.
7.
7,
Sure.
Yeah, he converted the penalty.
Yeah.
Can give him.
Hey, you mate. Or missed them long. But I think 7, I agree with it. No, I didn't really see him. 90 minutes.
Yeah,
For our police, average performances.
Yeah.
Moving on to Amafene and Tanga.
Mina mafenda nge-100.
Yeah.
Yangithola like you gonna be frustrated cause first time ngiyebooing akamuremi you had me ndanga mengithi no it's not right. But kokunye that's why like ngiyayibheka kuzo zonke zoyithule indaba. Others are worried, others are frustrated. Others now they are not professional. As you say kunale outside email lokho iphuzile ikhuluma izinto ezanecessary. So ngeke amafeni onke afelele yona. But sensor line ihlala libiza. Before game liqala Nkosi yalizwa khaza liyasho kuyanetha kuyashisa kuyabanda mafenza always there mfethu it's 100 for them girl.
Yeah. I didn't really see that moment where they were throwing things around.
Nah, man. I didn't even hear the booing man.
Yeah.
No booing because what I heard it's frustration most busy. I wanna
no Mbuthuma nasikhathi ayenza into leya izimkhuza but few people
leyenzani
nasikhathi I think me udlisa ibhola la leya zithi aphume leya izimkhuza uthi ngena wena.
There's a few people. Some people they come there, they are drunk and then they do their own things. But I think it was just that frustration, cause ready. Yes, busy one. So like like sometimes like we are fans. How are we supposed to react? Really move.
Sure.
You want this guy was frustrated.
That's why I'm saying this
that kid in your man, Papa, mama.
That's football. Mina kafundi uyangibangaza umuntu ozothi you bashing our players. Cause it's actually vuka man mfethu. Like game of emotions is football.
So ngathi
usisi.
Yeah, it's funny.
Iplayer baba courage mfethu uyazidlisa mfethu. Nizokutshela eground mfethu uyazidlisa. It's football.
No.
Uyangibangaza labantu laba. That's not what we do. This is football after
football. Football. That's how we raise our frustrations.
Football.
And
I ukuthi ngiyakuzonda mangithi fire man vuka man ngiyakugashisa mfethu ukuthi hayi man sukuma mfethu ukuthi sizowina.
So for me it wasn't a better outing from us our fans.
Sure.
I won't speak about izinto engazibonanga people throwing things.
I didn't see that.
I didn't see that one. So I think I'd give our fans maybe a 9 because there were some things there back and forth and so.
Yeah. No, I would still give them a 10. In fact, we showed up with midweek. Nalmakaza more than fit.
Zabo zamagcina labantu.
Mampara mfethu.
Give them that mfethu.
We deserve our 10 mfethu.
Yeah, we must
do better. Yes.
Yeah, we must try and find a way of like holding these fools accountable. We'll be throwing things there, doing those things kind of out of all.
It's gonna be difficult.
Because it's gonna easily turn into violence.
Yeah, it's gonna be difficult.
And you don't want that.
The thing abantu abangalungisa le security.
Sure.
Umsebenzi wayo. Akumsebenzi wayo manje amafeni ukuthi
no, you know in what sense, Ghost? There was a time where konje besithini lezi the time le iba reprimand.
Mekithi kukhusha umbuthume yazi le one amtshela and I always find that intanga and that's nokubakhuza ukuthi le ayithini
because that's where I'm coming from.
Ikhusha umbuthume ngithola le abatshela ukuthi hey wena uyakhona ukudlala ibhola uzongena uyenze le yona.
Sure.
Don't do that. And we always hear people doing that Ghost, but lento ngeke uyinqande like completely ukuthi ithule yangithola.
Sure.
Abanye abantu abeze stadium every time, there are always new people e stadium.
Yeah.
So mfethu, I think it's we're doing better nama center line mfethu. There's nothing more we can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you see another thing ukuthi once you want to intervene a lot as well. Yeah, that's the last thing you want. Yeah.
But are you telling me that we can't come up with creative ways to
We can find enough.
like as fans, like security is something they'll always be there, young dog.
Education.
Yeah, I think yes.
Education
yes.
is
That's
the
a
best
good
way.
one.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
We raise the awareness.
Try and emphasize this point that
Sure.
Buffett, this thing Buffett, we don't condone this
Yeah.
thing of throwing things in the stadium. Young dog.
Yeah.
I get you, well, or sometimes if you want to, because people are emotional at that time, then
This is the platform.
but yeah, I think these platforms we can use them
Yeah.
to try and spread the message
Sure.
and then Masikole Bambiso,
0.
that's the referee of the team.
0. Yo, Ghost. Yo, that guy was frustrating. Mfethu.
Negative ungamupha la.
Ni negative umuntu ayenze like ama mistakes or amabomo angazini ngeconfidence. Yo, ngimbona ukuthi I made my decision. Tanga le ntwana lezi mazilala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mawuhlula like a lousy penalty.
Yeah.
Like konke mfethu siyibonile. Okay, akayibonanga lineman 1.
Yeah.
Tanga negative mfethu.
Sethi khona nala ibhola liphuma khona le outside ibona ukuthi liya kuphi vele iGuy Richards Bay.
You guy Richards Bay.
Yabona penalty
Yes,
mina ngithi it's not a penalty. Uyangithola uzama ukukhatha and paste uvala amahlazo wakhe.
Yeah.
That guy is just a terrible referee mfethu.
Terrible.
Yeah. And you'll get some fans saying, let's not focus on the ref. I had Puchabu saying that.
But the ref is part of the game.
It's part of the game. Like, it's impossible to say, let's
fair.
focus on the right thing. If Richards Bay, really how you want
Kuna le free kick mo ukhala ngayo. Le usipha kai save. Ukuthi
Yeah,
that's not a free kick.
that's not a free kick,
And then like
in
it was
fact.
dangerous for us.
Like, there's no way that we can talk about these referees.
Oh.
Again, it's same point, in fact. Awareness, young dog.
Yeah.
They must be aware. You must flag this referee, in fact. You must call a Bambiso, in fact. You must monitor this guy. For me, in fact, I don't even think, I don't think it's incompetence, in fact. This guy, you could clearly see, this guy doesn't want Orlando Pirates to win the game, in fact.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that, in fact. Every decision, when there was a 50-50, you knew it's gonna go against us. 50-50, every 50-50.
Yeah.
Even obvious things, like obvious. In fact, no longer guy, a 15-year-old, which he judge. Young dollar is gonna make the right call. Young dollar, free kicks, throw-ins, penalties. This guy was bad in Danga. I've never seen something like this in Danga. Since it's the channel in Danga, I've never seen a review. I know we cried in
Limpopo.
no, that woman who was judging the other time, I think it was a final.
Yeah.
Hey, but this one, this one takes some mental fun. Goes
Yeah,
like
this guy was bad.
puzzled. How can you be this bad at this level?
Yeah, I think it's incompetence for me. Like I would say, it's a bochacha. Like it's a bochacha.
I wouldn't put it to
Uyakhona ukujudge.
incompetence. That
Usi-
guy ran agenda or pirate is going like him. I'm telling you, Ghosty. If it's incompetence, why everything was going against us? Why are some incompetent guys?
Makubile mina ngale yaphi na.
I think Nepal and it's
thought it
part
was
of
penalty,
it's maybe that's why as well. But
Ama 50-50 ntanga.
But
No,
I
I'm
feel like
50-50.
I would say like if generally nje uthitha PSL like they're bad officiators.
Yeah.
So you get one or two that are decent. But majority in fact you will always complain about referees in fact. No, that's what I've seen.
Yeah.
And it doesn't help plural like these guys. This thing is a side hustle for them.
Yeah.
It really doesn't help. In fact, you must try and find a way. In fact.
They must develop referees in fact.
I tell everyone until so. I don't even. That's a zero. I think we can all agree it was 0.
Yeah.
And on Saturday, playing against Siwelili Orlando Amstel Arena. Young, how do you approach this one?
Vuleka mbobo mbobo vuleka.
Vuleka
mbobo.
Vuleka.
Andanga like intanga silanda mina leya 11 le ngiqale ngaye eqaleni.
Yeah.
We go ngo Sipho.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give Spilibile a chance.
Yeah.
Hoto. Space mfethu angikhalisa manje.
Fana SPC shouldn't be there, Mr. Mlambo, please.
Let's change him.
Let's change to
Azam Chabatsane.
let's keep
Chabatsane CM. We'll see him. We'll see him. Cause I choose Makaula, but Tito, Rile, a police, Manasis.
Not tonight.
Yeah. I enjoy.
That's a strong one. I think for me, I'll just go with everything, Mr. Mlambo, that you just put there. I don't wanna lie. So I feel like that's our best possible starting 11 at this time. So
it's important to Bodle.
Considering our form,
Yeah. Yeah, I think Lena would pretty much agree. I think I'm skeptical about Bolela, but I think I can take Chabatsane.
Sure.
Yeah.
What do you mean you're skeptical? You're skeptical of taking him out or putting him in?
Taking him out, man. I think he can come back. He can be better.
Yeah.
That's important.
That's the easiest decision ever. Like, I want to that's the simplest decision for me. I go to that. If you are a coach and you come with Botella again, I can try to washing it. I go like Remona. Yes,
that's important.
It's gonna rest. But I was just saying good to me now. I was thinking good how I was gonna bring him back.
I know on the bench asimbeke azoma eyes kancane. Gonna need him. Yangithola mina I'm not doubting him of anything, but if for me hasn't been good, the fans now bangapha.
Yeah.
So rather than asim relaxes.
Yeah. Like it makes sense in every like possible way. Because the must just sit in 50 simple. Our low cost.
Our look, gentlemen, we are now at how many games? 29, 29 games, and then Ufaya Bafetu got the correct score. So now he's gonna go up by 3 points. So Sugago 27, we are good 30.
Yeah.
And then goes to Tola 1 point for the correct prediction. Uti Pirates is a winner. Then goes from 27 to 28. Shina Sugago 26. We are good. 25. We are good 26.
Sure.
Yeah. For the 1 point.
They get smile.
Watch it.
We needed that to go.
And cabanga ngigcine nini ugrasa so. You director ukibamba ne.
Now always go to skill code him. I always get right.
Nice
It's not a kill number one. Don't know what are you talking about today. I'm using nicely there.
But we needed the Tuni lie. It's a good one.
Yeah, say it like
could have
it
been
is,
3.
You saw it.
It's a good one.
You saw it.
Last minute goal. You're not confident.
Yeah.
Let me give you guys another one of it. 3 to Orlando Pirates. 0 to Siwelele.
2-0 Orlando Pirates mapagani.
Because of it.
I'm going to.
I 2-0.
I want need. I go right. Ayiwanile right.
Wakutshela ubeekeeper ngeqhwasha.
Elentwana sikoka phansi. Ominye igame lokuthi ayiwanile miyathi. But we need goals after all. Ngithola we need goals.
That's what I say. We need goals.
We need
I like you are very smart, more than 2 goals, you're top again.
Siwelele siyaqina lapha emuva phela. Sikho easy 2-0.
I justify. Why no goals?
Mina ngamba nethunile ngiyibona ngayi.
Baro right why no goals because more value one in there.
Akusizi.
Thunile.
Ubuya nabo uqhwasha bo-1-0.
Fine.
Yeah, you reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Anything that you want to add, Mr. Mlambo?
Let's keep on supporting the channel, bafethu. My friend, let's be aware and do better. Ngithola ntanga. Keep on liking, sharing and subscribing. Sawubonga ama engagement wenu lapho. Every opinion matter. Sekeni ukuthukana bafethu. Let's stop that.
Yeah, ubekile uMr Mlambo Mapagania. Let's keep on engaging lapha kuma social media bafethu. Sathari yasihlanganeni futhi esigodini sibulalisiwelele 2-0.
Yebo.
Bopha Mapagania. Bopha.